Hey groomers, Tyler and Smokey here. Just want to show you real quick how to oil scissors because I get questions on this a lot. And same thing with blades. Sorry, I'm not in my workshop. I'm at the dinner table and it's a lot higher up, so I'm not used to it. Anyway, you don't want to use cool care and stuff on them either because it'll wear out the parts internally. So when you buy a scissor, it should come with a little oil thing. A lot of times they do, a lot of times they don't. So it's not a big deal. Oil's cheap. You could go to a hobby store and buy sewing machine oil. Works great for scissors. I don't recommend using blade oil, but you can. Any oil will keep it from rusting. Do not use like coconut oil, like the hard stuff, even on your blades, because when it gets cold, it coagulates and then it comes not so liquidy. So anyway, with the scissors, you just open them up, wipe them off. These are brand new, so I don't need to wipe them off. And then get your little oil applicator. You want to put a dot down here in the pivot area. There's like a light. If you look, there's like a shiny area down here. Put a dot just right there. One tiny little dot. Boom. And then you could just take your finger or whatever and just rub it on there. Rub the excess on the other side. And then close it. And then you could do the same thing on each blade. You just take your oiler. Put a little line or dot. Not much is needed. And then get a towel. And just wipe it down. Wipe down the blades. You don't need a whole lot of oil on scissors. The reason you need it on blades is because they're moving 2,000 times a minute. If you're scissoring that fast, good for you. You might need to oil a little more, but most of us don't scissor that fast. So you don't need a whole lot of oil, just enough to prevent rust. All right, have a good day.